How about buttermilk vegan biscuits made by me? Let me show you how I made these biscuits.
You're gonna need flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, vinegar, plant milk, and plant butter. Mix all of your dry ingredients, including the butter, and then you're gonna add your vegan buttermilk mixture. Be sure to mix all of your ingredients together into a ball of dough. Prepare to roll the dough. Oh, you will get your hands dirty for this one. Have fun, play, but you get these biscuits right. Cut the dough and then turn your oven to 380. Get ready to place your biscuits in the oven for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, glaze your biscuits with butter and set them back in the oven. Now just look at these biscuits. They look and they smell absolutely amazing. I told you.
Look at this. Don't play. So good.